SB19 shuts down basher doubters with a damn live performance much fiercer than before. Remember this, Walis, na may ganap ang mga pitbahay during SB19's bench body of work damn live performance para magsabing, so okay na ngayon sa fans nila na malakas ang backtrack? Coming from this person pa talaga na ang kanyang idols nga ay napapansin pati ng mga casuals dahil either malakas ang backtrack o di kaya live pero unstable ang boses. Una sa lahat, backtrack is not bad. It is necessary especially when performing songs that are demanding both in vocals and choreo. Nagiging distasteful lang ito when it replaces the vocals or magkasing lakas sa vocals. Now with them seeing how demanding the song is plus its intense choreo, kailangan talaga ito ng backtrack. However, SB19 performed it with zero to minimal backtrack. But of course, may backup singer sila at yan ay ang isa't isa. Sila na nga ang nag-perform, sila pa ang backtrack at backup sa kanilang performance. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how SB19 shuts down bashers and doubters by giving them a performance na hindi basta-bastang mapapantayan ng iba. Here are a few clips of them being the backtrack and backup of each other.
Di ba sa badang damang katapusan ang lahat ng iyong sinimulan?